are going to make mini pumpkin pies with pecans. If you're getting ready for your holiday baking, this is the dessert that you can certainly serve to your family and friends, and I'm sure they're going to enjoy it. It's simple, it's delicious, so let's start making it.
Use a food processor, add the flour, add the powdered sugar, add sea salt, cold butter. Now pause for about 30-40 seconds or until you get that crumbly texture. Now mix the water and apple cider vinegar. Slowly add it to the flour mixture. Continue mixing until the dough comes together. And when the dough comes together, you remove it from the food processor and you wrap it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour. I use a heat-proof silicone mold. If you don't have one, just use muffin tins. When the dough is ready, dust the surface with flour and then start rolling. Roll the dough in about 1/4 inch thick or in about 12 inch in diameter, and use a cutter bigger than the mold so it will fit nicely inside the mold. And also make sure that you press the sides when you fit this dough in the mold, so then it has that nice covered around the mold. And then you chill them for about an hour. For the meantime, let's make the filling. But make sure that you're preheating the oven to 400 degrees. In the bowl, you add your pumpkin puree, your eggs, your brown sugar, and then the heavy cream and the spices are pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg. Add a little bit of cornstarch also and vanilla. And then mix until smooth. Use your spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl. Now you're ready to fill your prepared crust. Fill them about 1/4 cup of the filling, and then you bake them for about 30 minutes. Now halfway through baking, we're gonna make our pecans. It's pecans, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And then you top the pumpkin pie with the pecan toppings, and then you put it back in the oven to finish baking. And then once you see that the edges are golden brown, then they're done.
Okay, my friends, that is simple enough, and I'm sure you will love it. It's so delicious. Now, if you don't have those silicone molds, use your muffin tins or your cupcake pans, and that will work also. So if you have family and friends that need helps with baking or home cooking, please share this video. And don't forget, if you need more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.